does not go out of style. Everybody's fucking... Except one time, we were on tour during 9/11. We were actually on tour. It was the weirdest fucking thing, because we're out playing when they did that. We had just left New York when they fucking did the towers, and then... So there's no planes in the sky, and we're driving around, it was so crazy. And then we'd go into somewhere and we'd go, yeah, fuck the president. And everyone would just go. I go, yeah, fuck the president, Bush can suck my dick. Yeah, that's now. Look, try it like 2 days after the bombings. Nobody's cheering for that, man. Now you actually find out that Bush was involved and he owned both the planes that went into the towers. Did you know that? That just came out. It turned out, I just found out some new information. It turned out that Bush had hired a bunch of undocumented workers, so he put them all on those 2 planes and then put them into the towers so nobody would ever find out that happened. I just learned that off the internet yesterday.